Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our XM Global YouTube channel. You guys are lovely to be here. Always nice to check you out over in a different platform. We're usually chatting just over our website at XM Live Education. Particularly, you'd see me most oftenly in the XM Live room, but also in the beginner room where I go live with our trading expert, Oleg Bemi, for She Trades. In that case, you guys, happy to be here. If you have anything you'd actually like for me to answer whilst I'm here, comments, questions, any areas of the website you'd like for us to have a look at together since I'm here, do feel free to let me know. Chat's nicely available to join. And in that case, you guys, what we are going to focus on for today is some of our conditions. We'll have a look as well as to some of our promotions. Ultimately, we'll be tapping into the XM Global brand. Remember, we've got several different brands that in that case, you'd need to be aware as to the one in which you fall under due to your region and respective legislation. So, in terms of XM Global, you guys, just here, let's move straight to it. Let's have a look as to some of our conditions. Just under our company tab in the menu up top, we're nicely able to check out our help center. Our help center is a nice way to ultimately help ourselves. Have a look as to several different aspects and categories in which we offer over here. So swiftly to trading conditions. And in that case, let's go ahead and select view all. Just here, we're nicely able to wrap our head around lots that's offered, starting off with leverage. So, what leverage do we offer? Under this particular brand, you guys, we offer up to 1,000 to 1. Depending on your account's total equity, the available leverage options are equity between 5 USD and 40 USD, leverage is up to 1 to 1,000, equity between 40,000 and 1 and 80,000. Leverage is up to 1 to 500, equity between 80,000 and 1 and 200,000, leverage is up to 1 to 200, and equity over 200,000, leverage is up to 1 to 100. So keep that in mind, you guys. If you are keen on leverage, you'd need to nicely understand this right here. What are our trading hours? So, although the trading account is always accessible, each market has its own trading hours. The Forex market, for example, is open Monday 12:05 to Friday 11:50 GMT plus 2, whereas cryptocurrencies are available for trading 24/7. So, that's all in terms of hours. And let's move to swaps charged on futures contracts. So, are swaps charged on future contracts? You guys know there are no overnight charges when trading futures contracts. Do you charge commission or extra fees? You guys, we don't. We don't charge any commission or extra fees. The only thing you pay is the spread, which you can see before opening or closing a trade. Let's see. Do I need to pay tax on US equity derivatives? Yes, you may need to pay tax when trading US equity derivatives. Following regulations issued by the US Internal Revenue Services, the IRS, under Section 871M of the US tax code, all non-US resident holders of US equity derivatives are required to be taxed on divided income derived from trading said instruments. Do you allow scalping? So, yes, we allow scalping across any of our account types. Can I lose more than what I've deposited? No, we offer negative balance protection, NBP, to all clients, meaning you can never lose more than what you've deposited. Let's see what else pops up. Do we allow hedging? Yes, you guys, you are free to hedge positions on any of your trading accounts, but not between two different accounts. Hedging is when you simultaneously open a long and short position on the same instrument. When hedging Forex, gold, and silver, positions can be opened even when the margin level is below 100%. This is because the margin requirement for hedged positions is zero. When hedging all other instruments, the margin requirement for the hedge position is equal to 50%. New hedge positions can be opened if the final margin requirement is equal to or less than the total equity of your trading account. So do keep that in mind, everybody. And since we are speaking in all of this trading terminology, I do want you to be, in that case, well aware as to the aspects and areas of the site in which will allow for you to wrap your head around that. Those of you who are new to trading might not already be familiar with the language being used, the lingo, the trading terms in which not only are trading experts and instructors are using, but the industry is using as a whole. So the trading glossary would be a lovely way for you to wrap your head around this language. In that case, this is somewhat of a dictionary for you guys to go ahead and cover the different terms. You'll nicely be able to cover what is Forex, spread, a stop order, a CFD, a swap, commodities, rights issues, what is a merger, slippage, demerger, an acquisition, how forex trading works. All of the basics are nicely covered in this um trading glossary. So do have a look as to this, you guys. I love this particular area here. And remember, in terms of education, we've most certainly got you covered 5 days a week, 9 hours a day in the live education rooms. So if you tuned into my live as we speak, you guys, I do want to encourage you to check us out over at xmglobal.com, where you can catch live education just within your XM profile. In that case, just by logging in, otherwise hitting getting started in order to create a profile. And in that case, gain access to that area in which you'll be able to take full advantage of the entire scope of live education and other very important tools and resources which will help you in terms of your trading. So, otherwise, do feel free to check us out on Facebook and on Instagram as well as TikTok, you guys. At XM Global, we do provide you with plenty of resources. Just over our socials, you'll be well informed and up to date when it comes to shows, sessions, schedule updates, as well as those special one off, particularly the panel discussions covering the FOMC Fed, the ECB, as well as anything from the NFP, Bank of Japan, Bank of England monetary policy report, and many other trending market topics. Socials are a great way to stay on top of all of those shows and sessions since they're time sensitive and definitely vary in terms of date, month to month. So, you guys, plenty of places for you guys to stay in the loop here with us. And ultimately, remember, if you need any help, guidance, or assistance when it comes to your account, you have any personal questions with regards to promotions, competitions, what have you, we do always encourage you to contact our support team. You can find our support team to the bottom right over here via the live chat. Otherwise, if you prefer WhatsApp, Line, or Telegram, you're nicely able to communicate with the team who's to guide you through any such questions. Bonuses, deposits, withdrawals. You guys are looking to check the status of any of that, or see if you're eligible for a particular competition. You guys will most likely need to share your account number, etc. So best to do it in a private chat with our support team just to the bottom right of any page across the website. For now, I'm going to wrap up, but I do want to encourage you to check us out over at live education at xmglobal.com, at xm.com, depending on the brand you fall under, you guys. Join us at English Live Education as we go live 7 days a week. Oh, I should say 5 days a week and 9 hours a day. Over 13 experts and instructors in which can teach you various different styles and strategies. You're definitely in a nice place, whether it be in the beginner or the advanced room, to learn alongside those that know best. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you over at Live Education. Bye.